Hi guys, so in this tutorial we're going to begin learning the Raggle, Taggle, Gypsy. It's the first melody that we're going to learn in our grade 1 LCM handbook, so if you want to open up to page 14. Just a couple of things that I want to just point out before we start. Just beside the treble clef at the very beginning of our music, you'll see that we have a symbol that looks a little bit like a hashtag. It's not a hashtag, it's a sharp sign. And this sharp sign is placed on the very top line of our music staff, normally where we would find the F note. And what that is telling us is that our F notes are becoming F sharp, they're being sharpened. So rather than playing F notes in this piece, we will be playing F sharp instead. Now that's quite significant, because if we think about our G major scale, we have an F sharp in our G major scale. So rather than playing F in our G major scale, we're always playing an F sharp. So this sharp symbol placed on the where we would normally have the F note is therefore telling us that we're using the G major scale to play this song, and therefore that means that the piece is written in the key of G major. So that's as we've already learnt, every piece of music that you will come across is going to be written in a certain key. So this piece of music is written in G major, and that little sharp symbol there that's written incidentally is referred to therefore as our key signature, because it's telling us what key the music is in. Beside our key signature, beside the sharp sign, we see 4/4, and that's telling us that we have 4 beats in each bar. And then beside that we have our first 2 notes, and these first 2 notes don't make up a full bar. They are called pickup notes, or a pickup bar, and it's very common for music to start off with a bar of music that doesn't have all of the beats that we would normally expect. So we're just going to start off with this pickup bar, and you can use your music or your tablature to tell you where your fingers need to be, or you could what would be really helpful is to use both. So what we have in our first 2 notes are 2 quavers. These are notes that last half a beat each, and they are a B note and an A note, and as you can see from your tablature, our B note is on the 2nd string open, and then our A note is on the 2nd fret 3rd string. Okay, and you're just using your 2nd finger. Okay, and what we're going to do in this case is we're just going to use the words for and to count it out, because technically speaking there's only 1 beat in the bar, and it's the last beat. So we're just going to go like this: for and, for and. Okay, and another fun way of counting your quavers to make sure you're getting them in the right time is to use the word chicken. Okay, so you can go chicken. Okay, so that's our pickup bar. So we're now going to move into our first full bar, and we're going to call that bar number 1. Now what we're going to do is that at the beginning of learning each bar, we're going to clap the notes, clap the rhythm, so we know the timing first. So the first 3 notes are crotchets. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Then the last 2 notes are quavers. They're joined together by a little beam, and they're taking up all of beat 4. So we go for and at the end. So bar number 1, the notes go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Okay, you might just want to pause the video and clap that out. And then the notes that we're actually playing, if you're maybe writing this down in your handbook, is G, E, E, and then B, A. Okay, and then the tablet is telling you where those notes are found. So we have start off with a G, and that's on our 3rd string. So that's a crotchet. So we go 1. And then we're playing an E on the 4th string, so we're on the 2nd fret of our 4th string, and that's 2, 3. Okay, so the first three notes go like this: 1, 2, 3. And remember, we have 2 quavers, so it goes like this: 4 and at the end. So bar number 1 goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so I'm going to play our pickup bar or our pickup notes and all of beat 1, so you know what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Okay, so you might just want to pause the video and practice the first bar. And we're going to now move on to now bar number 2. And again, we're just going to clap out the rhythm first of all of how the note should sound. We have 4 quavers, okay? 4 notes that last half a beat each, and they're taking up beats 1 and beats 2. And the way we count these is like this: 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Remember to use the and. And then we have 2 crotchets, okay? And these last for beats 3 and 4. So we go like this: 3, 4. So all of the notes sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, you might just want to pause the video and maybe even rewind the video and practice clapping with me. And if I was to play these notes, okay, as I just clap them, it goes like this: 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so worry about playing at the minute. That's just to show you the rhythm of the notes. Okay, so we're just going to talk through these notes. So we have a G and an A note, and that's fine. So it's G on our 3rd string, A on our 2nd fret 3rd string. You see here we have it says number 4 on our 4th string, and this is actually an F sharp note. So rather than playing our F on the 3rd fret, we're moving up 1 fret to play our F sharp. Now when you're playing that 4th fret, you can technically, you're meant to really use your pinky, okay, but feel free to use your 3rd finger if you find that too hard. I'm going to use my pinky, okay. So and then so that's G and A and F sharp, and then we're then going back to a G note, and that's the first 4 notes of bar number 2. So it goes like this: 1 and 2 and. You might just want to practice those first 4 notes: 1 and 2 and then we have our last 2 notes which are an E, which is 2nd fret on our 4th string, and then we have a B, which is just our 2nd string open, and they go like this: 3, 4. Okay, so playing that bar really slowly sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and again. Okay, so we're just now going to put our pickup notes together and bars 1 and 2, and I think that's enough for our first video. Okay, so just practice the pickup notes in those first 2 bars. Play it really slowly. Feel free to play it slower than I'm doing at the minute, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to finish our first line off.